Bafetu, this is Ndibu, the 2PSTUDIOS guy. Today we're in Garden Venue, one of the most amazing venues you've ever seen. So we've tried here a couple of times, and today we're doing a Zulu wedding. I enjoy doing Zulu weddings because it's gonna be going down big time. Yeah, please enjoy Bafetu. I don't want to spoil it. Please enjoy all Bafetu. Time for preparations.
Raymond.
Yeah, sure. Beautiful. Guys look lovely. Okay, let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Yeah, we didn't waste no time. We went to the groom's room. Yeah, now with the groom, everything actually is easier.
Oh, yeah. What's the point? Next class.
He's over fit.
Hey, you think I should bring it up?
Sure.
Sele Magiti. Oh, Swama Tota.
Hey, Bafito, tried to push this couple to kiss just a little longer. Yeah, basababazali. You know how it goes. And 5, 4, 3, 2, wow! Couples portraits. This is our favorite time as photographers and videographers. Yeah, because this is the time especially dedicated to us. Somebody say amen. Beautiful. Okay, just say move out on here. I've got a 2. Okay, lovely. This is my name. Ah, you guys look amazing. Crazy. Okay, this is a short clip of the deco shoot. Please leave your comments and tell us what you think. Thank you.
I talk and you speak, then I walk and you scream. I found you, I found love. You find me, you find us.
They said we'll never make it, we were going too far, but we went the distance, you and I, and here we are, here we are. I hope we still have patience to try and reach for the stars. We're still trying to make it to the sky. Carry on, carry on. Turn over to busy someday. We sometimes don't deserve it. No matter teaching us all I share. Love is navigating, and we almost home. They tell us shalele party love.
Now it's reception time, celebration time. But as we are jiving, don't forget to like and subscribe onto our channel Bafetu. Hola. I work with the most amazing team Bafetu. These guys are like super pros, you know. Yeah, they just know what to do when and at what time, you know. So, yeah, we've been working together for years, and this is like years of experience. So yeah, we know how to work with each other, and that's what I appreciate.
That's okay. If you want to go to,
as you see, Bafetu, we've already killed it. Hello. This plate was like Kilimanjaro. I'm telling you. This one is made at it. I'm telling you. Yeah, so we're done now. We're done. It's reception time. So now, yeah, we're just gonna it's the party time now, you know. So it's gonna go down big time. Now, and then we go home. It's been a hectic day. It's been a hectic day. You can see these guys are tired, super tired by now. So yeah.
Between the two of you, who is more sensitive? All right. Between the two of you, who is more strict? 2P Studios. Singing on our TikToks, on our Facebook, and on Instagrams, and we follow these people.
Well, that sounded like a happy MC, don't you think? Well, I'm a link down below, Buffet too. Please don't forget to also like and subscribe so that we do more of this content for you all.
Are you ready?